Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. Today I got two new fans. It's Christmas. Happy Christmas everyone. This isn't Christmas anymore, it's Saturday for you guys, but yeah, so we're going to be installing two fans today. They're black Thermalright reverse blade fans, and we're going to be replacing them for my white Etsy Fab fans. So here I am taking out the graphics card, seeing as one of the fans won't go out without taking out the graphics card. So here's a little sped up version of this in a moment. So now I need to reach over and push the lever down to release the graphics card, then pull out the graphics card. And there's our graphics card. I put that to the side, but I made sure that metal was on the bottom, so no static. Here I am unplugging the fans, so two fans need to be unplugged here, so here's a little sped up. Okay, so we got them out. Now I'm unscrewing the fans, and I only had two screws in each fan, seeing as I knew I was going to replace them at some point because they're white fans in a black case. Okay, so now we got both the fans out, and now we're ready to unbox the new fans. Here they are. So only two fans, they're reverse blade, so the blade goes the other way so that you can have their nice side showing on the inside of the case. So here they are, they look very good. They come with 4 screws each. So I got my dad to help me install these, seeing as it would have been easier like that and just quicker, so that's why I did it. Okay, so now we're just testing it, so we don't have the graphics card in. We're just testing the RGB and all the wires are hooked up correctly. So they are hooked up correctly, they look amazing. These are really good fans, I can't express how good they are for the price. So I then put my graphics card back in, seeing as everything is working, and everything worked fine. So here's a little montage. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one, where I upgrade my PC. Ooh.